Video 231, quick fix alert. We have one line of code we have to change in this video, so let's go down to it. Right here, this variable is the error message that shows up when you do not have access to process.env Heroku app name, and Heroku app name would be inside of double quotes. The reason you don't have access to that is because you need to type this all on one line. And I screwed this up. I had just one dash app when it should have been dash app. And so I had this goddamn message wrong for videos 59 through 230. And that sucks, but it's better to fix it now than never, right? So this is the one line we're fixing, and then I kind of got a little decorative here and here. That's it. So what we did previously and what we did in this video. So we just fixed the error message that pops up when you do not have access to process.env Heroku app name because you did not enable runtime dyno metadata. That is all we did. So you can get the source code for this video right here, and you can email me here. You have been on the fast playlist. The slower playlist is here. The unscripted playlist is here. I filmed this 3 times, so pick whatever works for you. This has been video 231. Like and subscribe.